Self-love. So happy Earth people. Had like an Instagram campaign saying, what does self-love mean to you? So what does self-love mean to me? For me, self-love means like you're on the spectrum where it's like on the one side, it's how you teach other people how to treat you. And then on the other side is like how you treat yourself. The foundation is how you treat you so that others can lead by example. Applying this knowledge to my relationship with food. Now, I have a complex relationship with food. Do all women fall into this category? I was like pretty much the sick kid my whole life. There's a lot of food intolerances, and I've been able to like revamp my health in especially the last 3 years, due to just changing what I eat. Cutting out the gluten, the lactose, the sugars, only to mention a few. So I broke up with a lot of food. One day I was in a health food store and then boom, love at first sight. I found a pasta without grains, without gluten, without sugars, without all of the nonsense. It's just like completely transparent. Pure, 100% an uncomplicated relationship. As a single girl with food intolerances, sparks are rare. Real food does not come by very often. Being kind to my digestive system, this is self-love. Okay, it's like lunchtime and my self-love is saying that I need to have a quick and easy lunch. This is like a very easy lunch that I just do when it's healthy and I'm on the go, and anyone can do it. I can do it, you can do it. Let's go. The secret ingredient to this self-love story is when we treat ourselves with love and kindness, all the other relationships, food, men, family, colleagues, will follow suit. Start with yourself and everything else will follow. Self-love. Lunch with my Now here's the question. How do you self-love?